Hi guys, this is Ivory with munchygoddess.com, and today I'm going to teach you how to make easy, delicious air fryer pizza using a tortilla. First, you're going to need 1 flour tortilla, some pizza sauce, olive oil, Italian seasoning, pepperoni, and mozzarella cheese. Place the tortilla into the air fry basket and then brush the outer edges with olive oil. Next, add pizza sauce, pepperoni, shredded mozzarella cheese, and then top that with some Italian seasoning for extra flavor. Next, place the pizza into the air fryer and air fry at 400 degrees for 3 minutes or until the pizza is brown and bubbly. But be sure to check on it after the first minute. Once the pizza is done, remove it from the air fryer, let it cool down some, cut it, and enjoy. Thanks for watching.